Hey there, oral health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a natural remedy that might just help you address a common concern, tooth decay. But before we proceed, a quick reminder, maintaining regular dental checkups is crucial. However, if you're looking for a supplementary natural approach, I've got a simple remedy to share. Let's explore the properties of these potent ingredients and learn how to address tooth decay naturally in just 2 days. First in our tooth decay relieving lineup is baking soda. Baking soda has mild abrasive properties and can help neutralize acids that contribute to tooth decay. Add a pinch of baking soda to a bowl. This ingredient will aid in cleaning and polishing the teeth. Next up is the versatile coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its antimicrobial properties and can help in maintaining oral hygiene. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the bowl. This ingredient will contribute to the overall health of your gums and teeth. And finally, the powerful clove oil. Clove oil has antibacterial and analgesic properties. Add a few drops of clove oil to the mixture. This ingredient has been used for centuries to address dental issues and soothe discomfort. Now, let's mix these ingredients thoroughly in the bowl. Ensure a well-blended paste. Once mixed, your tooth decay relief mixture is ready for application. To use this natural remedy, take a small amount of the mixture on a clean toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth and gums for 2 minutes, paying extra attention to areas affected by tooth decay. Spit out the mixture and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Repeat this process twice a day, in the morning and before bedtime, for 2 days. Remember, this is a supplementary approach, and regular dental checkups are vital for maintaining optimal oral health. There you have it, a natural way to address tooth decay at home. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more oral health content, and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Here's to a healthy and happy smile. Until next time, take care of your teeth and yourself.